So my daughter, she is 2 years older than my son, but I feel like Lifetime is a great job for kids, presenting yourself professionally, being on a team, because eventually they will graduate from college and start their careers. But hopefully they will always come back to this idea of jobs being fun. It's a great place to work. My name is Jay. I'm the Kids in Aquatics leader, and I have been with Lifetime for 29 years. Even when we don't think that they are, they're always listening. So I just think inclusion is important for a healthy way of life, and you're gonna be a better community member because you come to the Kids Academy, you come to swim lessons, you're learning through play, and you have fun. It's my favorite part of working at Lifetime, the relationships that we build with our families, sharing pieces of myself with them, and that's amazing. I'm an enrolled member of the Ho-Chunk Nation. My family is the Bear Clan, so the idea of the clan system and everyone having a role, I want to bring that to my team. I love building connections and creating that sense of community on our team and with our members as well, especially in aquatics, because people or children and adults can sometimes be really fearful of water. I really need them to feel comfortable because swimming is a life skill and I want them to be safe in the water. Inclusion is so important for health and wellness because we want everyone to live a healthy and happy life. That's what we're passionate about, and we get to do that every day. The fact that I love my job so much that you're still there almost 30 years later. Whew.